Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will place some trade in IQ option platform OTC market. This is OTC market today. OTC has no volume, that's why I will place all my trade based on price action only. So let's start. So this is GBPUSD pair OTC market, and market is now trying to fall down from this area here. Okay, so I will place my trade after closing of this candle. Okay, I placed my trade here to the upper direction. There is a level here. That's why based on that level, I placed my trade here to the upper direction. So although if market create here a bearish candlestick, definitely I must win this trade because I took my trade taking margin of safety. That's why it's very, very sure trade that although market created here a bearish candlestick, but it will my winning trade. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my winning trade. So now I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade here, why I place my trade here. There is a level here. This was the level. So previously, first this candlestick got rejected from this level and close here. So when I saw market got rejected from this level and then it closed as a bearish candlestick, and this candlestick again came back to the same level, so it must again got rejected from here. So that's why I placed my trade immediately exactly at this area, below this area here, below this level here to the upper direction, and it got rejected and it closed as a bearish candlestick, but I won this trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is EURUSD pair OTC market, and market condition here totally sideways market here. Okay, so market trying to make a basement here and market trying to fall down from this area. So already I got a pattern here. Okay, so I need a perfect confirmation and perfect opportunity, then only I can place my trade, but market didn't give me any confirmation till now. That's why I have to wait for at least this candlestick. Okay, I can place my trade here to the downward direction. So because I already got a pattern here, after that market strongly falling down, that's why it will turn the market to the downward direction. That means sellers turn the market to the downward direction and it will fall more down. That's why I placed my trade here by taking little margin of safety to the downward direction. So after 1 minute, it will close below my entry point. That means it will create here a bearish candlestick. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my another winning trade. Now I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade here. Previously, it was a uptrend situation, but total market condition here is sideways, and market got rejected from here and fall down. And previously, market this round number level, from this round number level, market fall down several times. So That's why it again started to falling down from this area, and it already got rejected and created here a double top pattern, and then market falling down. So when market create this strong bearish candlestick here, so this candlestick was my confirmation that after this candle I can easily go with the sellers, because already neckline breakout happened. After that, market already fall down from this area. That's why I immediately placed my trade, taking margin of safety here to the downward direction for 1 minute. It closed below my entry point and it was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is Euro GBP pair OTC market, and market condition here. Market trying to make a basement here. Okay, so I have to wait for a perfect opportunity here also, because it's a formation situation right now here. That's why I have to wait to take the market direction. So then only I will place my trade. Okay, so I have to wait for that opportunity. Okay, till now, this is not a perfect situation here, but the doji candlestick exactly formed at the support area, above the support area. That's why I placed my trade below the support level to the upper direction. So I think it will close above my entry point, because this doji candlestick above the round number level. This is my confirmation here. So that's why I placed my trade here to the upper direction. I think market must close above my entry point. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is also my winning trade. So now I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade here. So market trying to make a basement here. That means it's a ranging type situation here. So when market created range, so that time the condition of the market is buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, like this type of. So there was a round number level here. Exactly above the round number level, a doji candlestick formed in the market. So when this doji candlestick formed here, so this was my confirmation that doji candlestick exactly above the support level act as a reversal sign. That means market will go up. If this doji candlestick formed below the resistance level, it will fall down. That means next candlestick will fall down. So this was my confirmation. That's why I placed my trade exactly at the round number level here to the upper direction. So after 1 minute, it closed above my entry point and it was my winning trade. So this is only the price action concept. I placed 3 trades here based on price action. All of 3 trades are winning trade. So first of all, we have to learn very deeply. The deep knowledge will give us profit. Otherwise, it's not possible to make money from this market. So if anybody think that, okay, the market is falling down, sellers are strong, we can go with the sellers, it's totally a wrong idea. We have to know the logic, we have to know the strategy, we have to know the pattern, we have to know the market movement, market structure, we have to know the level trading. So each and everything is very, very important. So if we can learn all the things very deeply, very properly, then only we can expect a high profit from the market. Otherwise, it's not possible. So if anybody want to learn price action, VSS, CWRV, Delta River Forex, contact me by Telegram at the TRUSTETBNRY and WhatsApp +880174177896. So thanks for watching my videos.